Kate! When I saw the size of it on the radar and where it was headed, all I could think was...
I'm all right.
So where did you stick it out?
Right down here.
Good call.
It's all Kate.
You've been with Owens the whole time?
Yeah. Why?
Javi. Apparently this place was family owned, so I'm gonna start working up some numbers. Riggs is gonna want those first thing.
Okay, man, I'll catch up with you guys.
Yeah.
Javi, what is Riggs getting out of all your data collection?
What's the matter?
Is profiting off of people's tragedy part of your business plan? Why are you doing this?
Wait, hold on. Riggs is offering these people a way to move on with their lives.
He's swooping in and taking advantage of people who have just lost everything. But you have no idea what that's like.
I don't know what that's like. How about losing 3 of my best friends while you were trying to land a big fat grant for your science project? Kate, you had it? Kate! Kate! Wait, don't leave like this, look! Kate! Where you going?